Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and this is my 60-second DIY. What's it gonna be today? We are gonna do a little farmhouse decor. I think you're gonna love it. So let's get settled and let's get ready for Soozie's 60-second DIY. I'm starting out with this new white pumpkin from Dollar Tree, and then some of these wooden beads and these new leaves that I found. I hope you can find them too. I need a clock. Let's get started. So all I'm gonna do is remove the little metal leaf there on the top, and we're gonna add this new gingham leaf. They are just darling. And so what I'm doing is taking some twine and I'm going to add a few beads at the top. And these are some wooden beads that I got on Amazon, and I'll link them down below. They came in the pack of black and then the brown, and then I had some natural wood beads that all came together. So I think I got a really good price. So that's done, and I was just gonna let it kind of hang down, but I really liked how it kind of swagged over to the side. And I just hot glued it on the back, and now we're adding that beautiful gingham new leaf, and then we're going to add a little raffia bow. And with 10 seconds left, all I'm gonna do is grab some of the tower blocks, and I just made a little stand for this cute pumpkin, and I am done. 3, 2, 1. And there it is. I think this is so cute, and I love taking things that are already pretty much cute the way they are, and Dollar Tree sure has shown that this year, and I just add my own little touch at the top. I hope you love it, and I hope you can find all these pieces to make your farmhouse pumpkin today. And thank you for joining me today on my Tuesday 60-second DIY. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I love hearing from you. So thanks for joining me on Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.